2 years ago, I made a video showing original Morrowind at its glory, compared to modded Morrowind. As I'm a firm believer of show, don't tell, I didn't bother to go over details what each mod was included in. I'm breaking that for now to talk about OpenMW, an open source project to extend engine of original Gamebryo engine that ran Elder Scrolls Morrowind. Given the subject, mod recommendation wouldn't be appropriate title for this video, but as OpenMW is capable of supporting Morrowind mods as well as having its own mod tools for it, I figure it has the spirit of it included. As for reasons to make this video, I wanted to describe the reason I use it, as there's been debate on using OpenMW over just playing the game as normal with mods, due to not every mod being supported for new engine. And that has to be ease of using it. Installing mods for normal Morrowind has been a bit hassle to me, no doubt for being stubborn to not use mod managers and despite not having used that many mods to begin with. Morrowind Code Patch, an executable that patches bugs in engine level rather than as plugin, has multiple options depending if you use some mods or not, which means running it against to toggle such options. Morrowind Graphics Extender, another executable, by far most annoying to deal with, requires generating a distant terrain before you are able to configure how much view distance you see in the game, and this must be also done before you launch the game, rather than inside of it. Plus, thanks to the age of the engine, poor performance comes out if running with huge view distance. Outside of those two, the mod has been easy to install. Come OpenMW, and after installation, the launcher offers same toggleable options, but without having to rerun any application to apply those changes. Even distant land is included in the launcher, and rather than having to close down game to change view distance, you can do it in-game, plus it runs much smoother. It's this ease of use that makes it easier to run, handle and configure the game. In regards of normal mods, you can keep your original Morrowind installation clean by assigning a directory where OpenMW reads out data directories, making screwing up when installing mods less of a hassle. Also, with latest release of OpenMW, the engine supports handling graphical enchantments inside the game as well. There is one downside of OpenMW, and that is scripting. Rather, not supporting Morrowind script extender mods, as it doesn't have the same functions and is unlikely to have until developers manage to get past version 1.0. Thus, many mods that use Morrowind script extender don't work with OpenMW. Some say this is a deal breaker, but I disagree, purely from the approach I have with Morrowind, that it is a flawed game that only needs fixing of bugs and visual errors and enjoy the game on its own from there. Everything else is just a bonus that I mess around with a bit but not use for any playthrough I intend to complete. Not many people share this mindset and can see these mods as essential, which I am glad to agree to disagree. Overall, OpenMW is a project I recommend for people who want to get into playing Morrowind without a hassle. It's not a complete project, but it's in a state that many gamers can finish a playthrough without huge issues, me included, thanks to using Linux. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to support my channel, you can give me a coffee through link in description. Have a nice day.